Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to the beautiful channel Padhai Ka Kavach. Students, today we are going to discuss about the administrative system, administrative executive. As we know, student, there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Among which the executive system or the executive organ is a backbone of our entire legislature structure, because this body is act as a implementary organ of the government, and the bureaucrats and the persons who are working in this organ of the government are the backbone of the government. So let us try to understand how they administer entire regime. The political executive frames various policies in different fields: in agriculture, in education, in defense, in the various sectors. The detailed and efficient implementation of these policies is done by the administrative executive. So, there are persons who are administrative executives who are implementing these policies. They guide and advises the state executives in the matters of policies. Also, the required figures and the information is given to the state executive in related concern with the policies. The political executives are taking help of this administrative executive, but they are not bound to follow the advice of it. Means the political executives can implement their suggestion or information into the policies, or they cannot. It is not compulsory for the political executive to implement the suggestion and the advices given by the administrative executive. Okay, so let us understand very deep about the administrative executive. No matter how important or welfare oriented are the policies, laws, if they are not effectively implemented by the administrative executive, the administrative system provides the necessary backup to the executive in the formulation and implementation of the policies. Who are the persons which are administrative executives? They are experienced and the efficient public servants in the field of foreign relation, defense, security, international trade and commerce, nuclear energy, production, distribution, banking, insurance, foreign exchange are the backbone of the government. Collector is appointed as an administrative head at district level, and his office is at Jilla Seva Sadan. So, at the district level, the collector is the administrative head, means he is or she is responsible for all the work, all the policies carried out inside the district. Their expertise, knowledge, administrative insight, broad experience, prediction, administrative efficiency helps them to carry out the administration effectively. Means, student, it tells us that the management of the administrative executive is dependent upon the experience and predictions, and efficiency is also help them to carry out the management effectively. Actually, the political executives are mostly illiterate. Means they are not highly educated inside the Gujarat or inside the India. So they are taking help from this administrative executives, and that is why this state executive act as the brain behind the welfare of the people, whereas the administrative executive is like the limbs. An amicable relation between the political executive and the administrative executive is the prerequisite for the smooth governance of the state. Means political and administrative executives are helpful to each other in order to run the government in a smooth manner. The power and influence of the government is becoming more centered in the bureaucracy. Nepotism, corruption, dishonesty, insufficiency, misconduct, escapism are the evils of bureaucracy. Means, student, these are the bad factors that affect the bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means the persons who are working in the government at higher positions like IAS, IPS, and other highly dignified civil servants. So, to control such evils, Lokpal or Lokayukt is needed. To stop the corruption, Gujarat state government has started an entire separate department by the name of Anti-Corruption Bureau, which is popularly known as ACB. Its toll-free number is 1800 2334 4444. People can contact the number to file their complaints. So, to file their complaints, people use this number. Political stability is expected from the administrative system as there is a government comprising of different political parties. The administrative system helps to excel the development of the government by implementing various developmental schemes and programs.